Here's a recipe that will dazzle your dinner guests because it looks so spectacular, but it also tastes great. It's Italian chicken bundles, and I started by cooking a chicken breast that I've cubed in some olive oil. Now I'll add in some sliced green onions and cook them until the chicken is lightly browned and the onions are softened. Now, I've seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper, and now I'll add some chopped garlic, some oregano, and about a third of a cup of Parmesan cheese, some ricotta cheese, about 8 ounces, and some baby spinach. And the heat will wilt that spinach down. And then, like all leafy greens, I add some freshly grated nutmeg. Now, I melted some butter and I greased the outer cups of a 12-cup muffin tin. Now I'll take egg roll wrappers, and you'll find those in the produce section near the ginger root and other Asian ingredients. And I'll press gently into the cup and fill each wrapper with some of that delicious chicken and spinach filling. Then I'll gather up the edges of the wrapper and put a little twist on it, and then dot it with some more melted butter. Do that to all 10, and then I'll bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the tops of the bundles are nice and golden brown. I place my bundle on some herb tomato sauce and garnished with Parmesan and basil. And you can get the recipe for this stunning dish by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.